So, sound spelling is when we listen to the sounds that we hear, the letter sounds. Okay, when we hear the word sun, what is the first letter that you hear in sun? I think I heard that too. S is the first letter. Now, some people will stop right there because that's all that their ears right now hear for letter sounds. Wherever you are in the letter sounds that you hear, we're really happy with. Just keep working at hearing letter sounds. Okay, because every letter makes a sound. Remember that song? Okay. Sun. Some of you will hear sun. Not only the first sound, but also the last sound. You might hear sun. First sound and last sound. That's an N. S-N. Sun. Some of you, since it's a short word, might hear all the letters when you're stretching out for sound spelling. You might hear S-A-N, sun. Let's see what that would look like. First letter, S, and then stretch again. Sa-a-a-a. U, like up, an umbrella. Sun, and the last sound. Now that is dictionary spelling. Because it was a short word, we might hear all of the letter sounds when we use dictionary spelling. But most words, when children are using sound spelling, you can't hear every sound. Because I will say that even grown-ups who have had a lot of practice with writing words and looking at words and remembering what they saw, words are made of many letters. Some words are longer and some words are shorter. And sometimes we won't even hear little tricky letters that are in parts of a word that we can't hear, but they help to make the word. And that's why we are working where we are and where you are as children to write sound spelling the way you can hear it. I know you're going to do a great job writing words for the pictures that you will be labeling. So if you draw a picture of a sun that you think the plants need sun, you'll write the word sun underneath it. So if I made a sun, I would label it, and you can either write it underneath it or wherever you want, beside it. And if it's a big space in there, you might even want to write it right inside, like this. Sun. Down, up, around, and down for lowercase n. Sun. That's how you are writing it. That's just fine. If you want to write it underneath, sun, you could write it underneath. So remember to label your pictures. Now, we will be going out soon after we gather our things to get ready for our planting. I'll see you in the next video. Get busy. Bye.